Hindi ko talaga ka-up.
Normally, the position of the testis is unequal. It's either mas mataas ang right testis, mas mababa ang left testis. This is for a slightly lower body temperature. This is a requirement. Kailangan mas mainit for the maturation of the sperm cell. Kasi kapag hindi bumaba ang testis at 32 weeks age of gestation, ang tawag dyan ay cryptorchidism. Kapag pantay, so tilipin nyo yung bayag nyo mamaya, kailangan hindi yan pantay. Dahil pag yan ay pantay, undescended din, saan na doon?
Sino kayo?
Guys, okay. And ano mangyayari kapag meron ka niyan? Yes, of course, aside from that, alam niyo naman, one of the most common sexually transmitted diseases is your gonorrhea.
Mama na yun.
Okay? So, minimension ko lang yan para madaling sa inyo mag-aaral mamaya sa book. And then third, of course, the most famous is the prostate cancer. Okay? Initial screening, kung meron sa babae na self-breast exam, kayo naman, digital rectal exam.
Ano yung breast? Ba't nawala no?
So, we palpate the size of the prostate gland. Kasi normally, ang size lang talaga ng prostate gland is about FA size. Parang gisantes lang. Parang green teeth lang ang size yun eh. Pag mas lumaki pa dyan, okay, during rectal exam, enlargement na yung prostate. Okay?
Paano paliliitin?
There are medications and there are chemotherapy leading to cancer na yun. Okay?
Ano to?
That's it.
Itong line na.
Ito basta ma'am.